start with fault codes. Fault codes will always have a freeze frame, which will show you the status of the fault code. Calculating component is how to, what could possibly cause it. You can see more information about the fault code right here. It's going to show you where to connect and pinouts. Here you can check the diagram. Fault code troubleshooting will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do proper diagnostic on that fault code, so that it does not occur in 5 days again. Next step is wiring connections, which once checked, if it did not solve the problem, you can move to step 3. Step 3 will show you check the control unit and how to address that part, and we can go on and on until the fault code is solved. And clear the fault codes is the final part. Diagrams are going to show you the full wiring schematic. You'll find pinouts, you'll find locations, and you'll be able to easily navigate through all of that and find what you're looking for when it comes to parts. This is the CA1 is the main engine management control unit. In case if you double click, it's going to show you that exact part, as well as its pinouts, location, and system components. Monitor is for the live sensors connected to the engine, so it's going to have more than 200 sensors, which you can select and follow them through on how they perform in live data selection, or you also have live system displays of the fuel system. Exhaust gas systems. This is the fuel system overview. This is the exhaust gas system 1, system 2, and system 3. This is turning them on and off. System checks will be able to do some cutout and all of these tests. Well, you will always have an explanation of what's about to happen. This is a 6-cylinder engine. Next step, you'll have initial conditions that you must meet before you proceed, and after that you're going to have this test itself, where you select cylinders that you want to turn on and off. Next stage, on, turn off, and off, and also check. So this overlay, and that's basically it. Cancel it, and you will see that we have a full overview of what happened in the test. Maintenance, filter regeneration. Again, this is a full explanation of what's going to happen, initial conditions, and the test itself. Which you can follow through in this type of overview. Now it's going to take me a couple of minutes to finish it, because it's a demo kit, and here's a full overview of the region.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.